Hello, in today's video, I'll tell you what to do if your kettle doesn't shut down after the water is boiled. As you can see, I have the XIAOMI kettle right here, and if it doesn't turn off after the water is boiled, it is normal if it stays on for less than a minute. Once you hear the water boiling, once you hear the bubbles and everything, it may stay on for up to a minute. But if it stays there for longer, then make sure that the lid is fully closed. So once I open the lid, you need to close it all the way and make sure it's flat, it's sitting flat, because the steam released by the water that is boiling is going into a sensor that checks the temperature. And if the lid is closed, the steam escapes instead of going into the sensor. So that is the first thing. If that didn't help, try resetting your thermostat by unplugging the kettle from power. And once it's unplugged, wait for at least half an hour, then plug it back in. I would recommend also removing the water and filling it with cold water and see if that helps. If it didn't, then probably the NTC temperature sensor is damaged or the circuit has an error, and both of these things unfortunately require you to contact a service. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.